Hey everyone, Rod Kraft with Griot's Garage. We're actually in West Palm Beach at the Barrett-Jackson Show for 2022. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our brand new ceramic all-in-one wax. This is actually a formula that I know you guys have been waiting on. I know personally I've been waiting on this. This has been in the works for quite a while, doing a lot of testing, a lot of formulations on this. It's a perfect blend of the right amount of abrasive, the right amount of ceramic, and all other good ingredients that we're really waiting on. So this formula is just about finished. It should be shipping relatively soon to all the stores, and especially to our partners at Autogeek. So check their website, keep an eye out for that, so when that's available, you can get yourself a bottle of this. I was very fortunate to be able to test some of the formulas of this in the very beginning. I was actually blown away, and as a detailer myself, I was extremely impressed with how this worked. Being that this is an in-house formula for us, extremely easy to use, corrects the finish, gets rid of oxidation, minor imperfections, scratches, minor blemishes, swirl marks, things like that. And the most important thing is it doesn't just fill them, it physically removes them, which is the beautiful part about this. The gloss, color depth, and clarity left behind after this is used is insane. So once this is available, please check your websites for us and or Autogeek. See if it's available, go ahead and get yourself a bottle. I would say that even though this is something that you could use by hand, I think one of our orbital polishers, particularly our G9 Random Orbital Polisher with our orange correcting pad would be a great combination to pair with this product. Do a panel by panel, you're basically going to apply it and wipe it off right away. It's going to be the best way to use this. You don't want to do the whole vehicle, let it sit and try to wipe it off. It will perform much better doing it one panel at a time, putting it on, wiping it right back off. So check our website, check Autogeek's website, see when this is available, get yourself a bottle. I think you'll love it.